Are you a fan of Korean food? Do you want to learn how to make your very, very favorite Korean dishes at home? Well, you came to the right place today. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요 여러분, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. So what is Modern Pepper channel all about? Modern Pepper channel offers Korean cooking lessons for authentic Korean dishes as well as Korean fusion dishes. 맛있는 한식 요리와 한식 퓨전 요리를 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Modern Pepper's goal is to give you Korean cooking confidence. Hashtag Korean cooking confidence. Sorry, that was really dorky. Sorry. And I want to make sure that you have shopping confidence. Oh, wait, not for shoes, handbags, and clothes, although that would be fun. I want to make sure you have Korean grocery shopping confidence so that you know exactly what ingredients to buy and how to use them. Yes, you can make authentic Korean dishes at home. And soju. And we'll be making loads and loads of soju cocktails together. And of course, a little bit of mukbang, aka eating show. Bon appetit. So I will see you in one of these videos here. 다음 비디오에 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Here, 여기, here, and 여기. So make sure to subscribe so that we can make delicious Korean dishes together. Look at that.